This is my drawer of shame. I have so many samples in this drawer that I really need to declutter some. I don't know which of them is expired and which of them I can use and hopefully finish and clean out this drawer so that I can use it for really important stuff. And I hope you will enjoy this video. Hi, my name is Sally. I do a lot of project panning with makeup, but I think I want to tackle some of my body and hair and perfume collection too, because I have too many of my products here, and I hope you will enjoy it. So let's just start. I think I will remove at first the products that are not like skincare, like this nail glue, or I will just check what I can find here, and I will remove it from the drawer and then go one by one and see how they are expired and how many of them we need to declutter. Here's some makeup samples too in this drawer, but I think this is even too dark for me, so I can declutter it straight away. I think these lighter ones I can hold on and the darker ones can go. Again, a darker foundation, so this one can go too. And then now again the same, I think. Yeah, again too dark. Some of them don't have any expiration date on them, so I will hold on them, and when I try them and see they are expired, I need to declutter them after it. Yeah, you can see this is from 2025 April, so it's since over 1 year expired, so these ones need to go. We have green. Yeah, this one is expired too. I have here some baby powder, but I don't use it for the babies. I don't know what to do with this. Another one of them. Okay, wow, this is like since forever expired and it's still in the box, so really sad that I need to declutter this oil, but it is what it is. Okay, wow, this is since 2022 expired, and ew, because I was thinking maybe I can take it with me for traveling, but you can see I didn't take it, so it needs to be decluttered now. That's not a sample, but it's living here. Some pencils and some more nail products, so they don't need to be decluttered, but I need to think about how I will use this drawer. Some pimple patches. This one is expired too. Okay, this one is till 2028, so you see I really throw everything in it, and the new one and the old one get just mixed up, and then I didn't use them like through age, so yeah. we can do it like a game. So who will find at first the expiration date, you or me? So let's see, it's this expiration date. No, so there is no expiration date on all of them. So yeah, I just need to try them and open them, and hopefully they are like good enough to use. This one was in my advent calendar. I totally forgot about this face mask. This one is expired like 1 month ago, but I think I will hold on it and try to use it. It will be soon expired, so this will be in the top too. That's again from this advent calendar, and yeah, I throw them all in and forgot to use them. Expired again something. This one is expired since 2024. Then we have here an empty container. This one is a nice thing. Yeah. It came with a purchase, and I will hold on them, but I will put them to my hair products. This one is like from the other shampoo thing. I think it's expired too. Yeah, this one again expired. That's everything that's 100% expired. And these are all the products that are not expired. And I think I was hoping that I can declutter a little bit more. But I will now really try to project pan at first this drawer here and see really in the beginning if it's expired I can throw it directly away. But when it's like still good to use, I will use it up, because some of them are like really not that many milliliters, like this one. How many is this? 5 milliliters. So I will not take really long to use it up, or maybe like 1 milliliter. How many is here? And it's like, yeah, it's just like 2 uses and it's gone. So I hope that I can use them up in the next months and really use this drawer for something more important, like really anything else than just samples, because I hope this video was like something that reminds you to use your samples and not like hoarding them like me, because it's really easy. You got them and then just throw it in this drawer and forget about them, but that's not the point of getting samples. I can try them out, because this one is not even a sample. It's open and I was searching for it, but now it's like lost in this drawer. But I think I will see if I can maybe put like some organization in it and see if I can organize it a little bit better. But I think, like I said, when I still try to use them now, I don't have that many of products like in 1 month later. So let's see. This is like my goal, to really use them all up and to use this drawer for something else. Do you have something like this too? Just let's talk about it in the comments, and I hope I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.